Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to play games on YouTube. It's a very easy process. All you have to do is simply open the YouTube application and make sure that you are up to date. Once you're on the home screen, simply click on the small circle option at the top left corner, and this menu will pop up in front of you. Over here, just simply scroll down and you will see an option called Playables. Simply click on that. And over here, you should be able to see all the games available currently on YouTube. Now, this feature is currently being rolled out to every single account, so it might take some time if you don't have this feature in your account just yet, but when it comes out, it will be right there. Now, I believe there are about 75 games currently, and you don't have to install any of them because they're all already inside the application. In order to play any one of the games, just simply tap on it and the game will launch, as you can see right over here. So just simply wait a few seconds for the game to load, and then you can directly play the game inside the YouTube application. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to play games on YouTube. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching. And take care.